Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to access the accessibility features in Google Drawings. If you go up to the Tools menu, scroll down until you get to Accessibility. When you click on that, a little pop-up will open and it will give you some settings that you can update to determine the accessibility settings for this Google Drawing. For example, you can turn on screen reader support. So if somebody is accessing the Google Drawing and they have or require a screen reader, Google Drawings will interact with that screen reader to allow that person to understand what's on the screen, what's in the drawing. You can even turn on the screen magnifier support. Now, most of us may not need to use this, but if we do need to use it, a common feature in all of these sort of settings and tools in Google tools like this, Google Apps, is click on Learn More. If you click on Learn More, it will open up a web page, and the web page is got a ton of information dealing with how to use these features appropriately, what you may need to turn on, what kind of access you may need to have, if you need any third-party software, that kind of information. So for something like this, which may be highly specialized, if you need it but you don't understand it all that well, you can always find out more by clicking on either the question marks or if you ever see a little blue link for Learn More. But that is how you can access the accessibility features in Google Drawings.